everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everyone's having a great day. We just got back from the States. Was able to pick up my Coach delivery today. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. My hubby picked it up for me from the UPS driver, so that was nice. All right, let me go ahead and unbox and I'll show you what I got. This is from Coach. They're having half price off, so if you see anything that you like from Coach, I don't know how long the sale is going to be, so definitely check it out. Okay, it comes in a package like that, which is really nice, and comes with the sticker, which is even nicer. This is from the Disney X collection. All right. And let's see here. They give you a card. Wow, this is wrapped up really nice. They give you a little pillow, and then they give you your receipt. Okay. Now, I never had a Coach item wrapped and with a pillow, so that's pretty cool. And then they wrap it again with the little sticker. So you get a sticker like that if you've never seen that before. Has the Coach. Okay, so that's really nice. All right, let me go ahead and put this over here. All right, let's see here. Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It's made from the highest quality and attention to detail. Coach has been around since 1941. Wow. So you get a card, and then you get your little thank you. Wow, I didn't know they were around since then. Huh. 1941. Huh, that's pretty cool. And they even give you a little thank you card. So maybe they only give you all this fancy stuff with like the Rogue and like Disney items, things that normally don't go on sale. Maybe, I don't know. Do you guys, have you guys bought anything from Coach and you had all this stuff in the package? Because I never had all this stuff in the package. I normally just get like in a bag, and then, but I never got it. See, this is even wrapped up again with the sticker. So I never got the pillow and the sticker and then another sticker and the thank you card. So maybe it's only on the more expensive items. So let me know in the comments below if that's true or not, because I don't have any idea. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. The sticker is off. All right, this was half price. This is going to match my Mickey and Minnie Rogue that I have. It's the same red, and you get this is on there. Yeah, this is really nice. You get a plastic piece in the back. You get a back, Walt Disney World. It's grain leather. It zips around. All right, so this is all in there. Let me take all that out. And it has the brown and the red combo, just like my Rogue Disney purse from the 50th anniversary. Hard to get item. All right, you get a little care card. It's pretty nice. This leather is really nice. That leather smells good. All right, let me take all this stuff out of here. Wow, they really package it up. Okay, this is all leather. Oh, wow. They've got the Coach Creed there. This is all leather. They got a zip in the middle here. Pretty nice. This is gonna fit perfectly in my Mickey Mouse 50th anniversary Rogue, and the red is the exact color. So I think what you have to do with the Disney X collection is you have to buy the same color in order to match it. Because if you, like I ordered the chalk one, and it wasn't the same color. So if I decide to get the Caterpillar Mickey, that will match that. But it doesn't match my red and tan. And you get the gussets on the side here. So wow, this holds a lot. You get 8 card slots there. You get 8 here. You could really do some shopping with this wallet. You get a slot here. You get a slot there. Wow. You get in between here. And then you get the coin or whatever you want to put in there, basically. So yeah, this is super nice. Let me take the tag off. But yeah, no, I never had packaging like that from Coach, where they have all the packaging and they have all the thank you card. And then you get a slot in the back. So this is pretty nice, and it's kind of, this red is like a grain leather, like a pebble leather. There you go. But I think these are selling out fairly quick, so if you are interested, definitely check it out. It is half price, and then you get a leather pull tab here. So yeah, see? Look at this, feel this. It's all pebble
Rich.
leather. Yeah, look at inside.
Oh yeah, rich.
So it's gonna match my Mickey Mouse, you know, my Rogue one that I have with this color.
Yeah.
And the tan.
I'll walk into Hermes with that. That'll shake him up. He's shopping somewhere else.
So that's what that looks like. All right, so do you guys have any Disney X purse items or accessories or anything like that? Let me know in the comments below, and I will put a picture on Instagram. And what I might do on another video is match this up with my Mickey and Minnie Rogue, and then see what fits and that type of thing. And that might be kind of a cool idea if you're looking to get a zip around wallet from Coach. They're made very well. The leather is really outstanding, and it does match. So that's the key point. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. As always, appreciated. And please leave any requests, comments below. I love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.